So, yeah, didn't like that. And then there was like a dollar sign in front of the EL,
Yeah, yeah,
and I didn't have that
yeah.
with the CY wrap.
Yeah.
So
Dennis, if you don't have that dollar sign, is it okay?
it's not okay without it.
No, see, can you share my? Can I share my screen?
Sure.
Yeah, one second.
Yeah, it takes a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Can you see?
Not yet. I see. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Now it looks like it might come in.
Yeah. So you can see here,
It
I'm using without.
Not yet. It there. Okay. Yeah.
So it's
So
not.
you used it.
Yeah, it's not mandatory
Hmm.
that you put dollar sign. If you don't have, then it also works.
Okay. All right. Because I had some with a dollar sign and some without.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So I didn't know. And I tried to look it up and I couldn't really find
Mhm.
good reference to what that meant. So,
Okay.
okay. All right. I was able to get it to work with a from, and then I did a to Denver, United States,
Oh,
Denver
great, great.
Airport, United States.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it worked, but I think I think there was some copy paste stuff. And then
Okay.
I tried to make it a separate it to do the to do the Denver, and it didn't like that either. So, um, so yeah, it didn't really take that long to fix it up. It was just a matter of, just being able to type and look at what I was typing. So yeah,
Mhm.
and I don't think I can make the font any larger on Visual Studio Code. Um, Unfortunately, I can take screenshots, but then screenshots don't get you anywhere because then you have to, dynamically work on it. I did notice, and I haven't installed it, but there probably would be security concerns. You can do a Visual Studio Community,
Yeah, yeah.
and
Mhm.
I don't know if you have to pay more money for that, and you have to be careful, I guess, if you're working with people from the outside of your company, do a separate container or something. I don't know. So, but I mean, I think that would be useful, but unfortunately, we have to kind of just like look and squint and try to see if we can see um, what we're
Okay.
doing. Yeah, so it's not that easy. I understand. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I tried to do a little bit more research, and I was working on my other.
Okay, great, great.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So okay, great. Okay, I'm sorry. I just wanted to get kind of like recap what I did yesterday. Yeah.
You want me to recap that one?
Sure. I mean, you should recap it too. I just was recapping that I was actually able to get it
Yeah,
run.
sure, sure, sure. No. Yesterday we have seen custom command. Under this custom command, we have seen that one.
Hmm.
That's select watch,
Right. Yeah.
and also we see the dynamic drop down, and this one we have seen yesterday, the dynamic drop down.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So you also know the how to make custom command, how to call, how to pass the string.
Hmm. Yes.
Great. So in this today's session, what we'll do, Dennis, today we'll see the page object model.
Okay.
This is a framework. Okay, we can also call POM.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So in this case, we'll create two class or two pages, one containing the classes. Inside the class, we have some object, or we can say, sorry, method. We have method one, method two, depend on methods. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay.
and we are exporting that class. Export default class. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, and in the second page, we just import that class A. Okay, and we create the object and access that method which we have imported just now. Got it?
Okay. Create the object. Okay. Import the class, create the object, and we would access it. Okay. The method.
Yeah, in this class, we'll do the same one.
Okay.
Okay, so in this case, I'll take the simple example. Okay, and
Hmm.
what I'll do, I'll export that class, and from another page we import that one.
Okay.
I'll take only one or two method. Okay, in initial phase. Then it's up to you that when you do practice, you can take more methods. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll just take the example of. I'll just take the example of what I'll do using POM. I open the Google page and enter some string. Okay, into the text box. Google text box. Any font. Also, we just clicking the search button. Got it, Dennis?
Okay.
Yeah, this one will do.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll just create one file which is recording or notes. Yeah. I'll just go up. I'll just create one file here. I'll just put one name Google form locator .js. Okay,
Okay.
and I'll just take another class to access that one. Google form loc1.js. This one is whatever. I'll just import that one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll just close this one. Close the custom command. Okay. So let me start this one. Now, in this case, locator file. What I'll do, I'll just write on here reference types equal to Cypress. Okay. Now I'll just create one class. Can you tell me any class name? Hello
You're
there.
asking me a question? I'm sorry?
Yeah, can you
Or
just suggest me some class name, Dennis?
yes, I guess Google text or Google search or
Yeah,
something.
Google search. Got it?
Okay, so we start okay. Yeah,
This is my
right.
class name.
Mhm.
Okay. So I'll just write the class name now. Just a minute, Dennis.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back, Dennis. 1 second. Hello.
Okay, sorry I was muted. Thank you.
Yeah, no, no problem. So what we have done now, we have created my class. So basically, Dennis, if I ask you why we use page object model, what you will tell me?
It's probably a standard way to go about testing a page. So to make sure that you have everything that you would need.
That's correct. And the second reason is, why we write form. Like if we have 1,000 line of code,
Okay.
okay, and in that case, if somewhere the developer change the locator,
Hmm.
so how could we know
Okay.
that from which locator we have is changed? Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. And the second reason is like like if you make one form page object model and export it, so you can make 100 of files which access that export file
Oh, okay.
as per the scenario. And suppose if the developer change locator, in that case there is no need to go to every page and change the locator.
Mhm.
You
Okay.
can change at one place and that would be reflected in another page also. So this is the
Okay.
benefit of,
That's
yeah. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So this is my class Google search. Now inside this I'll create one method like enter let's say open Google page. This is my customize method. Now inside this I'm writing my code cy.get, oh sorry, cy.visit https dot google.com. Okay, I have created this one. Now what I'll do, I'll export this one. So when you are exporting, so your class, you need to write outside of this bracket. Got it? Dennis, are you there?
I'm sorry, I was muted again. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, no,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. So you just write on here export default Google search, your class name. Okay. This one is I have export. Now this one is class. I want to import that one. So write on here for reference
Oh,
types.
now, I'm sorry. So, so you were at one file
Yeah, in
and
one
now you're
file.
at another one?
Yeah,
I'm a
yeah,
little confused which file is
yeah.
which.
This one is my locator.
Um,
LOC is locator,
okay.
and LOC one is
Okay. And then there was a locator. I'm sorry. I followed along and I did locator one.
yeah, yeah,
So I need to make, if I'm following along, I need to make another one. So I need to just change my locator one. Sorry.
yeah, yeah.
I'm renaming it now. Um, to the one that we just did was locator. And
Yeah,
now we're in locator
yeah.
one. Okay, wait a moment.
Sure.
I messed up something. Okay, all right, locator one. All right. Um, so locator one is reference type Cypress. Okay, class Google search, open Google website, see why visit. Okay, and now it is export just default. And again, we're in one. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So now this LOC one, locator one, we're accessing that one, which we import here. Which one we export now? So now in there we
Okay.
import that one.
Okay.
Yeah, in
All
this
right.
class.
Mm-hmm.
So here the syntax is like this: import from,
Okay. So we say import. Okay.
or just write down your class name like Google search. Copy this one.
Hmm.
Write down your import Google search. Import Google search from.
Oh, okay.
Now in single quote, write down dot and slash.
Okay. From single quote and a
And
dot
yeah,
/ single quote.
yeah. Now you can
Okay.
see your Google search class. Check it out. Your Google search class is there or not. Okay. See, Dennis, remember one thing.
Hmm.
Your class name is what? Google Form Loc One, no?
Google Palm Loc one.
Yeah,
Yes.
you need to write on this one. You are searching this one because this file name contain your Google search.
Okay.
Yeah, so just Google Form, uh, search Google Form LOC one. Go here. No, no, sorry, not LOC one. Google Form
Hmm.
LOC. This just this one.
The one that I'm in.
Yeah, yeah. This
Oh,
class
I'm sorry. I'm in Loc one. Okay.
because I'm into Loc one, na. Yeah, and this
Um,
Google search is in
Google.
Loc only.
Hmm.
So I want,
So
yeah,
I'll let you. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
yeah. So I just want to go here. So if I just dot, yeah. Now see just at Google form doc. This file I want. I am accessing this file because this file
Okay.
contain my class name Google search.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes.
Now, how to access that one? I export it and I import it. Now I have to access that methods. So now that's come into picture of oops concept. Oops creating the
Oh,
object and access that class or methods.
okay.
Yeah. So now what I'll do, I have already created one method by the name of open Google website which contain my code
Hmm.
under the class Google search, and I export it,
Hmm.
and here
Yes.
and import that class Google search from this file.
Okay.
Now I have to create one object. So for creating the object, there is one syntax. Write on const. This one is a JavaScript. Like we can use const, where, let. So I'm using here const.
Okay.
I create one object obj equal to new Google search. This one is your class.
Oh, new Google search, one word. Okay.
Yeah, this one is the method you are creating for. You are creating the
Hmm.
object for this class. Okay, now I don't describe here. Uh, Search verifying Google search text box using form. Now my first test case is open Google page or website. Callback function. Now I have to access that one. So write down obj dot dot. So what's the class name here? Open Google website. Check it out. This class method is getting displayed on obj dot Google. This one is what? Open Google website. Open Google website. Yeah, this class, this method I want. Just put here double parenthesis because it's a method. Got it, Dennis? Any doubt?
Um, I'm following along with you, and I just want to make sure I have it typed in okay. So I'm going to just check. Um, After open Google website, um, wait, after the open Google website, there's a comma, and then okay,
It's a callback
there's a
function.
comma, and then the function, okay, and then the object, open Google website. My it has a red, huh, okay. Um, I don't think that's the problem. So I am okay, wait. I'm sorry. Um, Constant object. Okay, I'm missing the function stuff at describe. Bear with me. So I'm just typing a little slow. Um,
Yeah, take your time, no problem.
and okay, and then uh-oh. So the other curly one, it open Google website. Maybe I have an extra. Nope. Yeah. Okay, I got rid of my red. I hope I'm okay. Um, although, let me get, oh, not focused. Okay. I am missing, maybe I'm missing like a close paren. So, um,
Okay.
oh, maybe I'm okay now. I don't know. No, I'm not. Ah, one more thing. I'm sorry. I'm still, I have to look at what you have. Because I'm still having problems with like paren and close paren, that type of thing. So let me see if I can resolve that. I don't think that's right. But I can probably show you what I have.
Okay.
So let me show you what I have because I'm sorry, let me just review it. Um,
Okay.
okay,
You
I'm
just
sorry.
you just check it out.
Just share.
Let
Okay.
me. No, no. I'm not. I'm just check it out. What mistake you have done?
Okay, you want me to just review. Okay, let me just review what you have there. Oh, that's what's going on. Okay, I think. And then,
Is it fine, Dennis?
um, well, almost.
Okay.
I just have again problems with the parens and the I just have problems with like I have a describe with a red open paren. So I'm trying to follow it through to see where I missed the paren. Um and then that's a curly and that's uh curly and a closed paren on line 10, and then it's a curly and a closed paren. That's maybe the mistake. Okay. Um, closed paren. No, it's still. Let me look above it. Okay. Google look. New Google search. Describe, comma. That looks okay. Object. Okay. And then that one and that one. Yeah, I just can't seem to find where it's where I put where the missing thing is. I just can't seem to find where it is. I know it's a small statement. That's the thing that's stumping me, but I'm not
Hmm.
seeing it in the small statement. Double quote. Open Google website. Curly on line 10, a curly and a closed paren. Yeah, I'm just having a hard time finding where I have a describe open paren,
Mhm.
and then the last line 11 is a curly and a closed paren, and I must be missing a paren for the describe, and I can't seem to find where that would be. So, I just can't seem to find it. Because then when I put a paren in, like I make a like a line 13, then it seems like it. Oh, the red goes away, but that's weird. Maybe I don't know. We do
Okay.
curly. Nope, curly's not right. Um, yeah, I don't I don't know. I made the red go away, but I think my statement might be wrong now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, I think it might be wrong because I've got like a closed paren and a closed paren at the end, and that doesn't seem like it makes sense. But the red went away, so
Mhm.
yeah.
So
So
what
I'm sorry.
oh yeah, there is what I'll do. I'll
Mhm.
just run this one, and also
Okay,
I add one method. And what you do, like
okay,
when I give you break now, so in that break time you can just solve that one. Is it fine?
okay. Why don't you run it? I'll yeah.
Okay. Now I'll just run it to find out whether this working or not, and
Mhm.
to check it out that Google page open or not. Okay. So go to terminal.
Okay.
Uh, Now I'm just driving an npx Cypress open.
Mhm. Takes a while.
Yeah, it to be. Okay, so what's my class name? If I go with you, I have to access this one because I am import this one. Huh? So no need to export this class, this page. Need to
You're just
run this
oh,
one,
okay.
lock one.
So you're running lock one,
Yeah,
pretty much.
exactly. See, I got the result.
Okay. Where you're just right at the search or you yeah, okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
in this text box, I want to pass some string. So
Okay.
first of all, I'll go to my. I just open another browser.
Mhm.
Okay, just google.com. Now just here, right click, inspecting the. Oh, sorry. Inspecting the text box here. I have to pass the string. Yeah, this one is my string. Okay, so I just control F. I just take this class name, control
Okay.
control V. Now class will start with dot and remove the spaces with dot. Oh, it's one of one, yeah. Now I copy this one. I go to my, now in this locator file, go here
Hmm.
and create your own method, another method. Enter string something you want to you.
Okay. So you are in loc one
No, I
still, right?
I'm in log.
Are you in loc? You're in loc,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. And so, okay, CY visit and then enter string.
Now see why I don't get. Put that
Oh, enter
selector.
string is one word. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Now type. Now tell me any,
String.
suggest me any string to get passed into that text box. Hello Dennis.
Yes. Um, I still have a problem, and I'm so sorry, but I still have a problem with the locator that was selected.
Yeah. What's the problem?
My problem is that okay, when I go to inspect,
Mm-hmm.
it says the real box or whatever, but where you got the character string GLFYF,
Okay.
I need to, yeah.
See, go to my website here, Google.
Hmm.
I put google.com.
Right.
Yeah, I just yeah, click here and just go to inspect,
All right. And so I inspect,
and you can see this one.
and the
In
first thing I see is real box. Um, so okay, go to this locator thing, and right now I see input. I don't see.
if you don't see now, what you do, just click this arrow
Right. Okay. So I
and
click
and
the
go
arrow.
to your text box and click that one. You will get the locator.
Okay. So I see div ID content style NTP theme. I don't get to where you are, where the input class GL whatever. I don't get there.
Okay,
I
click.
don't see it.
Okay,
I
click.
don't see it in my
Okay, can you?
so my stuff won't work if I don't get it.
Okay,
So I need to just make sure I'm searching it right or doing the
you just
locator right.
can you just share me that screen? I'll let you know where to find that one.
Sure, sure. Just one moment. Just
Yeah.
making sure I've got the right page. Okay, here. Okay. So I have my Google
Hmm.
and give just one moment. Okay, so I have Google, right?
Yeah. So right click,
Okay. Right click,
inspect.
inspect.
Yeah. Uh,
Do you want me to use this right here?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Click.
So I see input. Um,
Yeah. So see, it depends on the location also. Like you are
uh-huh.
using. Might be the case like I am using in India, so I am getting the different locator here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's depends on location also. So if you are getting that locator, you can choose that one. Input your tag name and your ID is your attribute and the value is input. So input ID input. We have done this one now. It's working fine at that
So
time.
I'm sorry. So what is mine? It would be
Your is like input ID input. So you can just go.
This one here,
Yeah,
this input
yeah. You just do one thing. ID is your input now. Just click Control F and write down.
here.
Yeah, Control F.
Okay.
Yeah, and for ID you use hash now. Write down hash input
Hash input.
and check it
Okay.
out. It is unique or not.
There's three of them.
Yeah. So what you do? You just try to use that formula. Tag name attribute equal to value. So use input ID equal to input.
Okay. So my enter string or whatever, my CY get.
First you check it out. It's unique or not. So just write down input. Remove that hash.
Okay, dash. I mean, I'm
Ha-
sorry.
hash.
Okay.
In your Control F text box.
Okay. So I'm not following well. So I think I need to go into the chat, maybe, because I'm not following well.
Okay, one second. I'll just
Um,
write on the chart. One second.
yeah, I'm just not following whatever the syntax would be. Um, there's three input. So
Yeah, in that case,
CY get
you can use like this input ID equal to input. Your tag name equal
get
attribute equal to value. So just I'm sending you a see you got the result. Can you see your chat box?
my checkbox. Um, um, just one moment. Is that what you mean? I, okay, you're saying input ID equal, okay. So
Yeah,
instead of CY get, I'm going to say input
yeah.
after enter string, I'm going to say input
ID equal to input. Yeah.
ID
First of all,
equals,
you check it out in your Control F string that this locator is single or not, unique or not.
it's not. There's three of them.
No. Which I have sent to you, that one.
Um, you've sent to me input ID equals input,
Yeah,
right?
that check that one. Yeah,
Okay. Right. Okay. All right.
copy.
Yeah, I've got it after enter string.
In a control box, I'm not able to see that one. No,
Sure.
no. Not here. Control F.
Okay. Okay. So just a
Yeah, to check it out, it is unique or not.
right. There's three of them.
No. Which I have sent to you. That you have to check.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have to check it here. Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah, check it out. It's unique or not.
Yeah, I'm getting 0.
Yeah, so it's no use of that one.
Yeah.
Input. Okay, so you can take another one. Did you put the same like single quote is correct? Okay.
Um, wait. I'm sorry.
Just click on
Um,
arrow. Yeah.
mhm. Okay, this says input, but
Yeah.
that's more the
Now
search thing.
you can just do input type equal to search, right on. Second attribute, attribute value type equal to search.
Yeah. Okay, so I see this again, the input type equals search.
Yeah, check it
I
out that
mean,
one.
ID. Okay. So
Because
you want me to say ID
yeah,
equals search?
no, ID is not
No.
working here. type equal to search. Can you see? After ID input, type search is getting a display.
After ID, type search. ID icon?
No,
Real
no, no, no.
box?
No, ID
Yeah.
input. What is there after input?
Search?
Type search,
Type
no?
search?
Yeah, so I don't type search.
Hmm. So input type equals search.
Exactly, exactly. Correct.
Okay, I'm sorry. Just like, all right. I'm just typing it. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't, but okay. Um,
Hit enter.
input
Did you put that single quote after search?
single quote, yeah. A
Uh,
box.
no, box, no,
I
single
mean,
quote. Before
yeah,
S,
yeah. A single quote here
uh,
before search, single quote after search.
okay. Still you're getting 0.
Yes.
Okay. Then you can use this one also. Placeholder, search Google or
Type
type. Yeah, search Google.
placeholder. Where do I type it here?
I don't understand why you are not getting the correct.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm in the wrong, either in the wrong mode or something. Um,
Can you just put google.com?
Go back to google.com. Okay.
Just write on google.com.
Okay. Um, okay.
But yeah, I. Hmm?
Okay. So do inspect. Okay, now I'm getting it. So I guess I had to start over again. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Just right click.
Because now I'm getting the thing that you have.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct.
So I don't know. I guess I didn't go into it the right way. I'd been having that problem before and I wasn't sure what it was because I was getting a bunch of zeros. So input ID, or I'm sorry.
Mhm.
You had something else. I'm sorry. After enter
Yeah,
string,
yeah.
you had class, input class.
Mhm. Let me share my screen to you now.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure. I'm sorry. I needed to stop sharing.
Yeah, yeah.
AY get.
No, I can add on this one.
Yeah, this is where GLY. Oh, you put a dot. Yeah, you have to put a dot between the two. A dot before. Get class. And that is paren, right? Okay. Get. Oh, it's just CY get. Okay. Okay. Well, now that mystery is solved because I had a hard time and I thought I was starting over again too.
Hmm.
But are those curly braces or parens after type in type?
Okay. In that, you can just pass. Suggest me some string. I'll pass it.
Okay,
Uh,
so Is that just okay? So it's just single quote open. I
Yeah.
mean,
So
I'm sorry,
actually,
single paren.
I'm waiting
Okay,
for you to suggest me some string to get past.
okay. I'm gonna look up that group again. CHVCHES, just because
C
it's kind of unique.
CH.
CHCH. Yeah. Let me give it to you in the chat. What I'm gonna do
Okay.
is, I can get to the chat.
Okay.
CHVCHES.
Okay. What is this?
You know, I think it's spelled different. It's like a band. It's like a
Okay.
band. I think I've got it spelled
Okay.
differently. It's like
Okay.
CHURCHES,
So
but it's with a V. I missed the R. Sorry about that.
okay.
I'm gonna
CHV
type it in.
CHES, correct?
The RCHES. Yeah, I corrected it. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Well, I actually had to select it, pop band. But I did have to select from a drop down to get to it.
Okay. No worry. I'll take only this one. Okay. Now what I'll go do, I'll just go to loop one and access this method. I'll just copy this one,
Okay.
go to my log one and just write on here now again obj, or I'll do, I'll just write on another test case here. This one is for Google. Again, I'll just another test it enter string. Now again obj dot that method. Oh sorry, image. Just copy this interesting copy. Go here. Just use that obj object.
Where are you in now? One, locator one. I didn't finish. I didn't finish.
I'm just
Loc.
I'm log one now.
Okay, I didn't finish loc. So,
Yeah.
um, I didn't finish the syntax on loc,
Okay.
just so
So
you know.
Dennis, can we take half an hour break so that we can complete this one?
Yeah, I need to actually see what it is because I got most of it, but I didn't have the rest of it. It enters string curly. Okay. Um, so you want me to just you're gonna leave that here and we take a break?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Why don't you leave that there? And then okay, so half hour takes us to 10,
Yeah.
pretty much.
This one lock screen, lock one, and this one is your lock one.
Okay, so let me just bear with me. And then okay, so that's loc 1 and then loc 2, loc I'm sorry, loc.
Yeah.
What does that look like?
You mean to say, should I open this one?
Yeah, that one. Okay. All right. Okay, sure. Half an hour is good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, I'll be here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll leave and then join again, okay?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Pardon?
I can leave and join again then at 10.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. You can also take a break, have some snacks. Okay.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
I'll work on this. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. Thanks.
Bye.
Hi, Dennis. Hi, Dennis.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Good. Good. I'm I